Stuart Shaw. I'm the Program Manager of Advanced Manufacturing at Destroying Meat Processors Corporation, AMPC. We're here today at Intelligent Robotics, where we're doing some conceptual work with Humanoid Robotics to provide automation in processing sectors, specifically relating to the dexterity capabilities, but also the footprint. One of the challenges we have is we can't build a new factory every time we want to automate. We have to do a lot of this automation within existing floors.
I'm Jonathan Cook, General Manager at Intelligent Robotics, and we are here today exploring a piece of work we're doing with the Australian Meat Processor Corporation, investigating humanoid robot technology. It's still in its infancy and there's still a lot of development sort of coming through. But what we wanted to start to understand in the case of the meat industry, what does using humanoid technology look like to do picking and placing applications? Simple tasks to begin with, but with this view of, okay, this is where the technology is now, but this is where the progression is headed.
One of the challenges I've put towards Intelligent Robotics and as part of this project is to take it beyond pick and pack applications. What can we do for knife hand, for trimming, for deboning in the future? How far can we take this technology, not just today, but in 2, 3, 4, 5 years' time?